How to change WhatsApp language. So let's get started. This works if you are using Android and your WhatsApp version supports in-app language changes. To do that, open your WhatsApp. Now tap onto the three dots on the top right and go to the setting. Here, scroll down until you see the language option. There you go. Now you can select the language you prefer, like Hindi, Nepali, Spanish, Arabic, and much more. WhatsApp will restart with your new language. For iPhone, you can go to the settings, tap the General to see Language and Region options, tap Language, then select your desired language. Note: all the versions of WhatsApp supports in-app language changes. If you don't see the app language option, use your phone setting instead. And that's how you change the language in WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.